Hello, my name's Russell Arnott. I'm a researcher here at the University of Bath, so I research plankton, which are the tiny little things that float around in the sea. So there's two different types of plankton. There's phytoplankton, which are the plants, and there's the zooplankton, which are the animals. So most people know about zooplankton because that's what whales eat, and Plankton in SpongeBob, he happens to be a zooplankton. And these things eat on the phytoplankton, which is what I study. So first of all, phytoplankton produce 80% of the oxygen that keeps us alive. So there's a lot of focus on how important forests are for our climate and keeping us alive, but in fact the oceans provide 80% of the oxygen. So why else are phytoplankton important? Well, if we think about a food chain, you've got sun goes in, you've got your phytoplankton, they get eaten by the zooplankton get eaten by fish, and then fish get eaten by us. So if you like eating fish and chips, then phytoplankton are at the basis of most marine food chains. So phytoplankton are also important because they're plants, and what all plants do is take carbon dioxide out of the air, turn it into their structure and their sugars, but the best thing about phytoplankton is when they die, they sink to the bottom of the ocean and they take that carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere and lock it in deep ocean sediments. So potentially, if we could harness the power of phytoplankton, we could reduce some of the effects that we're seeing from anthropogenic climate change.